Hello everybody and welcome to Mr. Random Jr. So, in today's video, I have Series 2 of the Walmart exclusive Megalodon series. Now, something I would like to point out is, originally, we all thought this was a re-release series, but turns out it's not a re-release series. It just happens to be that the Series 1, all the die-cast looked like ones we already had, but they did have slight differences, technically. And same goes for the Gravedigger one, which I need to find the Gravedigger series too, because they have not showed up. So anyways, we're going to be opening these via packaging order, and would you look at that? What a coincidence. I have the first one right here. So, here's the first Megalodon now. This packaging, there's no variety in the packaging. It's literally the exact same Megalodon graphic for all four of them. And same logo as well, but that's understandable. I'm pretty sure they just essentially use the scraps from the factory to make these, to be honest. Because they look like they're just thrown together randomly, to be honest. So, there's that. So, without further ado, let's get this out the box. Okay, so, here it is out the box. Now, the body is just a regular Megalodon overall, but the chassis is blue, black, and the tires are blue and yellow. I'm not sure what to think of this one, to be honest. This one's probably my least favorite, to be honest. I mean, all of these are kind of suck, to be honest. None of them are really noteworthy. So, there's the back. There's the front with the teefies. The other side. So, yeah, overall, not really, darn it. Sorry, it keeps moving. So, overall, nothing really too noteworthy. It's really only good to get if you're like a collector or something, or if you're a collector or something, because this is definitely the weakest one out of an already weak set. So, that's going to do it for this one. Now, next up, we have one. This one's probably my favorite. It is this Fire Megalodon, which I think it looks pretty cool in my opinion, to be honest. This is easily my favorite already. I low-key actually kind of like this. This is like the only good truck in this series, really. Or only like exceptionally or like noteworthy truck. So, enough yapping, let's get these out the box. Okay, so here is the Megalodon out the box. Now, if they would have just swapped the tires for black tires, this would easily be look a lot better. But the tires and rim combo kind of take it away a little bit. Like, yes, it does look good, I will not lie. But, man, it would have looked sharp and black. But I do like how they did use, like, a silver chassis. That's pretty cool, in my opinion. There's the wheels. There's the teefies. There's the eye thingamajiggy. Wait, no, why did I say that? Fins, the logo. Also, this is the only one in this set with a different logo. There's the windshield. So, next up is... Now, we go from what is probably the best one in the set to the one that is the most interesting, in my opinion. This Megalodon. So, hold up, let me get something. Now, this one's a bit dusty. But, basically, here it is. So, This is the second release of this scheme, I believe. Sorry that there's a lot of dust on it. A good amount of dust on it, but you get the idea. You get the idea. So, that's what it looks like. So, it's basically, the body is the same one as this, but the chassis but the wheel, the chassis, but all the other stuff is easily a downgrade in my opinion. But I'm going to save the yapping about it for when we get this out the box. So, here it is out the box. Sorry for the cough. Now, this chassis combo is not the worst, but it's also not the best. Far from it. So, the body, we've seen this body already. Wait a minute. We've seen this body already. So, this is like the amethyst, or I'm not sure what this, I forgot what the series was called. So, it has purple wheels. Wait, no. Purple tires, white rims, a blue roll cage, and then the chassis is the same color as the tires. So, overall, noteworthy, but not too great, in my opinion. So anyways, we only got one more left. So, here it is now. This is a rear. The body is, I believe, it's the same as the Overcast Megalodon. It might be, I'm not sure. Y'all nerds can let me know in the comments if that's true or not. So yeah, don't really got nothing else to say, so enough yapping and let's get this out the box. Okay, so here is the Megalodon out the box. Now, to be honest, this one and that one, this one, are tied for the weakest ones. Basically, all of these are bad/mid. I don't really know how I want to put it. And this one is pretty good, but this is a fairly weak series, but I will get to that afterwards because I got a truck I have to review. So, sorry for going off on a rant there. So, we have blue chassis, a slightly darker blue. Wait, no, hold up a minute. Sorry, I am filming this at like 10 p.m. So I'm kind of out of it. I apologize in advance. Why am I saying advance? I don't know. So, it has a blue chassis, a slightly darker. Oh my fucking god! Sorry for swearing. It has a blue roll cage, a slightly darker blue chassis. It has blue rims and white tires with the Overcast body. Now, I don't have the Overcast Megalodon, so I'm not sure if those eyes are different. So yeah. I don't really got a lot to say about this one. So yeah, anyways, that's gonna do it for today's video. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite and least favorite. Spin maps. This series overall, you know what? I'm gonna start rating series/sets from 1 to 10. This one, in my opinion, is going to get a 5 or 6. Because I do really like this one. But even then, it has But even then, I don't like the wheels on it. I mean, the tires. The rest of them kind of suck, to be honest. Like, they're nowhere near the worst that Spin Master has made. But they're nowhere near the best either. Now, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, thank y'all so much for, like, actually watching these videos. I didn't even expect them to get past, like, 10 views. I'm honestly just doing this for fun, to be honest. So, anyway, and also, let me know, how could I improve on these videos? So, if you have something you would like to see in these videos, please let me know in the comments. See y'all guys next time, and also, thank y'all for watching.